Here I've got Stanley S241 and let me show you how to change a ringtone on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select sound and notification, and then go to the settings. And here you should pick phone ringtone. And let's go through all of them. As you can see, you have a wide list of ringtones, so you will definitely find something suitable. We will start with Andromeda. And obviously you can come along with all of the possible ringtones. Once you pick the one that you like most, let me pick for example this one. Click on OK, and now your brand new ringtone will ring once anyone will be calling you. So this is how you can smoothly and easily change phone ringtone. As you can see, you have a wide list of ringtones, so you will definitely find something suitable. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.